Hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use formulas in MS Word. As you know that we use formula in MS Excel, but in this particular video, I'm gonna show you how to use basic formulas is in MS Word so that you can do some basic calculations in MS Word and you don't have to go in MS Excel. Although I do prefer to use MS Excel whenever you need some data calculations, and after calculating your data you can bring that data into your MS Word. But we do have option to apply formulas in MS Word as well, and that's what I'm gonna show you in this particular video. So stay tuned with the video and let's get into the video. So guys, as you can see, I'm in my MS Word software and this is the dummy data in front of me. As you can see, this is students data. We do have 10 students name, serial number and their marks in 4 different subjects. Right now we are going to apply few basic formulas like how to do sum of all these subject or basically marks, or how to bring average of these marks. So I'm gonna show you how you can apply those formulas. Right now, first you have to click on the table whenever you want. Right, once you click on the table, you'll be able to see two extra tabs, which is table design and layout. So click on layout and here you'll be able to see the formula option. If you click on this, but first let me click here because I'm gonna apply the formula here. Right, so now click on the formula. Now here you'll be able to see that one formula is automatically applied, and that is equals to sum, and in the bracket we do have left. Why left is here? Because we want to sum all the numbers which is available in left. Right, so now when I hit the OK button, you'll be able to see the sum of all these numbers. Right, so that's how you can apply sum formula in MS Word. But there's a catch. You can't just drag this number into all the cells. You have to apply the formula individually in every cells. So this is the drawback of MS Word. But yeah, MS Word is not for formulas, right? So you have to understand this. Now again, if you want to add these numbers, basically you want to again click on this. Now here it is showing is equals to sum above, but we don't want to sum the above numbers. Right, we want to sum the number which is available in left. So right left again and hit the OK button. So that's how you can do the sum of these numbers. Right, then we do have few more formulas available here. Let me do one more thing. Let's bring out the average of all these numbers. This is the language subject and we do have the numbers, basically the marks of all the students. Right, now I want to bring get the average of these numbers. Right, so I've clicked on this cell, click on formula. Now how you will get the formulas? You have to click on this paste function and you'll be able to see the functions, basically functions of formulas available in MS Word. So these are the functions and formulas available. As you can see, ABS, and average, count, define, false, if. Then we have int function as well, max, minimum, basically maximum and minimum. Right, so these are the functions available in MS Word. And if you want to learn about all these formulas, you can refer to our MS Excel course so that you can learn about these formulas. Right, I'm not gonna taught you all the formulas, because if I do, the video will become way long and you will be getting bored with that video. Right, so if you want to learn about the formulas, you can prefer to our MS Excel course, which is one of the most preferred course in our channel. You can check out the course, and people pay tons of money to learn MS Excel software. Right, but you can pursue our course and learn the MS Excel software for free. Right, so this is the benefit of subscribing Marketing Fundas Global. Now let's apply the average formula. You just have to click on this average. Let me just delete this. Now is equals to sum. Now here under the bracket, basically between the bracket, we have to write above, because this time we want to bring, or we want to get the average of above numbers, right? Oops, I'm writing wrong, right? Now hit the OK button and you'll get the average, right? Now let's say I want to bring the count of all these numbers. Basically, I don't want to sum these numbers. I want to know what is the count of all these numbers, although I can see here, but if you don't have serial number, so how you can find out the count, right? So again, go to formula, delete the formula first, then go to count, right? Add here is equals to, now here again, right here above, hit the OK button and you'll be able to see the count. Basically, we do have 10 numbers over here, right? So that's how you can apply formulas in MS Excel. You can explore few more formulas, and if you don't know about the formulas, that how to apply these formulas, you can check out our MS Excel course. The basic difference, or you can say the main difference from MS Excel formulas to MS Word formula is these: above, left, down. Basically, in MS Excel we do have cells and every cell has a denoted name. So in the bracket we add the name of that particular cell in MS Excel, but here we don't have the name of these cells. So here we just write above, left, right, like this, right? So I hope you understood, I hope you learned from this video, and if you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button. And if you still have any question or query, please comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.